Thanks to a ton of exciting features such as live activities and vitals, watchOS 11 is touted to be a major update. As of now, watchOS 11 is available in both developer and public betas for rigorous testing. Once the testing is done, Apple is going to roll out watchOS 11 during this fall. In this handsome guide, I'm going to show you how to switch from watchOS 11 developer beta to public beta or vice versa without losing any media and data on your Apple Watch. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Watch app on your connected iPhone. Then tap on General. Then select Software Update. After that, choose Beta Updates. Then you have to select watchOS 11 Developer Beta or the Public Beta as per your needs. Then you have to tap on the back button at the top left corner of the screen to return to the Software Update section. Then you have to wait for a few seconds to allow your device to check for the available software update. And finally, you have to download and install the latest update as usual, and that's about it. As compared to the developer beta, the public beta is considered to be safe and stable. Therefore, I would suggest you to stay on the public beta in order to avoid major issues. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy watchOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.